Hi, this is Narciso of eLearning Advocates. Welcome to the first module of the video editing online training program. This unit of competency is about adding title to a video. You start by running Windows Live Movie Maker. If you have used this program earlier, it should appear on your start menu. Otherwise, click on the start button and type in Movie Maker, then click on Movie Maker, and you should be able to arrive at this window, which is actually the Movie Maker's main interface. You can explore the interface on your own time because I want to focus only on the functions that will help us get the job done or that will supplement the learning for this particular module. Also, you notice that if I hover on a button, the screen tip describes what the button is or what it does. Take a look. Right now we are on the home tab, which is pretty much where the action is. So we're clicking on add title. You should see an active text box where you can put the title of your video. I'll select the current text, then I'll type in walking to school, which is the title that I want for my video. Then I'll click outside the text box. Don't worry if you don't see your text, just click on edit text and the text will reappear. Also, you will notice that the format tab right here is now active, making available buttons that will help you edit your title later on. I won't be elaborating on the clipboard and the font ribbons because these are common in most, if not all, Microsoft applications. I'll just quickly change the font to Seago Script and the color to vibrant blue. This paragraph ribbon has this button called transparency, which is actually making the text more or less transparent. You can drag the slider left and right to increase or decrease text transparency. The more transparent the text is, the lighter it gets because you see more of the background, thus the term transparent. The adjust ribbon lets you change the background color. I personally choose the background color which matches or complements the dominant color in the video that I am editing. So for this particular example, I will choose the background color dark blue, lighter 40%. You will notice that if I play this short video clip, the text displays right away and the clip ends after 7 seconds. You can change how soon that text is shown by changing the start time. Let's say you want the text to start showing not right away but after 2 seconds. Then this is what you're going to do. Select, type in 2S, hit enter. I will move the slider backwards a little bit and notice what will happen if I hit the play button. See, the text started to appear after 2 seconds. Also, you can set the length of time that the text is displayed by changing the text duration. As you can see, it is 7 seconds by default. So if I want to show the text for just 4 seconds, Then I'll do this. I'll type in 4 and then I'll hit enter. So I'm going to play the video clip again, and pay close attention to this timeline. You will notice that the text will appear after 2 seconds, and then after 4 seconds it will disappear. See what will happen. Because I played the clip earlier, these video tools became active. So if I want to go back to text tools, I'll click here, and the text tools are now active. There is one thing that I want to point out. If you so decide that you want to extend the text duration to a number greater than 7, say 9, you will notice that this number didn't change. Although I typed 9, this number remains 7. This is because the length of the video clip is also by default 7 seconds. So it doesn't make sense to extend the text duration to 9 seconds when the video clip runs only for 7 seconds. So to address this type of situation, we click on video tools and extend its duration here, let's say to 9 seconds. Then we'll go back to text tools, and you will notice that this number changed from 7 to 9. But in the meantime, we shall stick to the default settings, which was 0 and 7. To the upper right corner of your screen, you'd see the text effects, and as you hover on each of the options, you'd be able to preview how the texts are going to show. Clicking this little arrow here allows you to choose a lot of other options. This arrow. For this particular module, I used Cinematic Burst Write, which is this one. So let's play this clip one more time. When everything looks right, we are ready to save this clip. Click on Home tab, click on Save Movie, and choose this option that says For Computer, with the assumption that you'd eventually upload it on some video sharing sites like YouTube or Vimeo. Make sure that the right folder is open, and let's see, and name your clip title, hit save, and it will start saving. When the saving process is done, you will be asked if you want to play, open folder, or close. For now, do whatever you want. It really doesn't matter because we've already accomplished what we wanted to do in this module, and that is to add title to a video. You now have your first video clip, which we will use when we go to the next modules of this online training program. Meantime, I will hit close, and I will close Movie Maker as well. click no when asked if you want to save changes to my movie. Please don't be confused about saving. Earlier we saved a video clip, or in this case the movie that we created, but we didn't save the project. There's a difference which you will recognize as we go along with the training program. That's about it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in module 2.